classic scamorza and funghi, mushrooms and smoked cheese. This is cow's milk smoked cheese that we're going to sear in the pan. Oh. There you go. I hear ready. That's what ready sounds like. Cool. And we want to get nice color, nice sear, treating this like it's a steak. And because it's smoked, we don't need to season it because it's already got everything it needs.
It has everything.
You're going to cook the mushrooms right inside. So again, go ahead, dump them all in. So we have some beach and oyster mushroom. And then to season the mushrooms, we're going to add a little bit of this vinaigrette. This has chopped dried porcinis in it. That's what you want. Time to give it a little bit of fresh herb, a pinch of salt, a little bit of vinaigrette, and that's going to come in over these guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy.